In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Slack. Whether you're switching devices, operating multiple accounts, or simply taking a break, knowing how to properly log out of Slack is essential for managing your digital workspace securely and effectively. So, let's dive right in. To begin the process, you'll first want to navigate to Slack. You can do this by opening the Slack application on your computer or mobile device. Slack's platform is designed to streamline your workflow by centralizing all your communications in one place, acting as a hub for instant messaging and collaboration with your team. Once you've opened Slack, you'll find yourself looking at your various channels and conversations. It might be a bit overwhelming with all the activity, but don't worry, finding the logout option is quite straightforward. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will bring down a menu with various options related to your account. This menu is your gateway to adjusting settings, viewing archived messages, and yes, logging out of your account. Clicking on your profile picture reveals a list of quick actions, and among these options, you can find the crucial choice that allows you to sign out. Now, in this drop-down menu, one of the options you'll see is Sign Out of your workspace name, which might be titled slightly differently depending on how your workspace is labeled, like Trial 1 in our example guide. Clicking this option is the key step in the process. By selecting Sign Out, you're essentially telling Slack that you're done working or communicating from this device, ensuring your account is secure and ready for your next login. And that's it, you've successfully logged out. This process is essential for maintaining the privacy and security of your workspace, particularly if you're using a shared or public computer. Remember, logging out helps ensure that your messages and sensitive information remain protected against unauthorized access. If you're moving to another device, the logout serves as a reset, preparing your session for the next login wherever you choose to pick up. Logging out can also help you manage multiple accounts more sleekly, switching between profiles more fluidly without the risk of overlapping data or receiving notifications when you don't want them. In this guide, we've walked through the process of logging out from Slack, ensuring your experience remains seamless and secure. Keep this guide handy whenever you need to end your Slack session conveniently, and now go ahead and try it out for yourself. Let me know how it works for you, or if there are any other aspects of Slack you'd like to explore further. Until next time, take care and happy collaborating.